The incredible engineering of Gothic cathedrals, medieval marvels. Gothic cathedrals stand as testaments to human ingenuity, towering monuments that seem to defy gravity. But how did medieval builders create these architectural masterpieces with only basic tools? Let's explore the fascinating process behind these engineering marvels. The birth of Gothic architecture. During the 11th to 13th centuries, Europe experienced unprecedented population growth and newfound prosperity. The older Romanesque churches simply couldn't accommodate the growing congregations. Enter Gothic architecture, a revolutionary style characterized by soaring spaces that could hold larger crowds. With their distinctive pointed arches, flying buttresses, and intricate stonework, these cathedrals became powerful symbols of civic pride and achievement. Funding a massive project. Building a cathedral required enormous financial resources. The funding came from multiple sources. Wealthy nobles and church officials contributed substantial sums. Ordinary parishioners donated what they could: money, labor, draft animals, or materials. Trade guilds funded sections of stained glass windows, medieval advertising. Many donated in exchange for burial rights beneath the cathedral floor. The master mason, medieval architect. At the heart of every cathedral project was the master mason, a visionary designer who combined engineering skill with artistic and theological knowledge. These master craftsmen created detailed plans and scale models from materials like wood or plaster, selected and sourced appropriate building materials, coordinated the massive workforce. Some master masons achieved celebrity status, like Pierre de Montreuil of Notre Dame, nicknamed Doctor of Stones for his expertise. Because these projects often span generations, the position frequently passed from father to son. Gathering materials. The sheer volume of materials required was staggering. Salisbury Cathedral alone needed 70,000 tons of stone. Stone was quarried from nearby sources when possible, then transported to the site by oxen or boat. Wood was essential for scaffolding, hoists, and temporary structures. Iron was used to reinforce walls and windows, though it often needed replacement as it deteriorated. Engineering innovations, moving and placing massive stone blocks, presented unique challenges. Medieval engineers developed ingenious solutions. The treadmill crane, a human-powered hoist where workers walked inside a wheel, allowing a single person to lift up to 1,300 pounds. Lead-filled glass tubes served as primitive levels. Compasses helped translate small-scale plans to full-size artistry and decoration. Once the stone framework was complete, skilled artisans transformed it into a breathtaking work of art. Stone sculptures adorned every surface, and contrary to what we see today, they were brightly painted. Stained glass windows were created by specialized craftsmen who worked near forests for the abundant firewood needed to melt glass. Colored glass was created by mixing metal oxides into molten glass, then blown into bubbles and flattened into sheets. Window makers assembled these pieces, adding painted details to complete the scenes. The final touches, towers, typically came last, sometimes completed decades after the main structure. The installation of bells marked the cathedral's completion. These massive bronze instruments required specialized hoisting equipment and significant manpower to ring. Notre Dame's 15th century main bell needed 11 men to operate and reportedly left them temporarily deaf afterward. When the bells finally tolled across the medieval city, it announced that after decades of communal effort, the Gothic cathedral was complete. If you found this fascinating, please like and subscribe for more historical engineering content. Follow us on social media for daily posts about architectural wonders, and consider becoming a channel member to support our work. Thanks for watching.